Good afternoon. Welcome to my messy kitchen. I just put dinner in the crock pot. Tonight we're having pineapple barbecue pork chops and it already smells so good in here. I need to hurry up and give this kitchen a quick tidy because I have some things that I need to get done today. I've been using these slow cooker liners for some time now and they work really well and make cleanup a breeze. I was looking for a way to keep my produce fresh and I found these containers on Amazon and they've been working really well. I believe I've had this lettuce and tomato in here for about 2 weeks and still looks pretty good, but I am gonna go ahead and toss out this lettuce though because I just bought some more. So I thought I was going to keep the tomato, but I decided to change my mind and just toss the lettuce and tomato because I did just buy some more tomato, another tomato. So I'm gonna clean this out before I refill it. I had donuts in here and I need to wash this out because I have some muffins on my countertop that I want to go inside. It's only 3 muffins, but I think when I go to the store today, I'm gonna grab another pack so I can kind of fill this up. I didn't think I was gonna wipe down this fridge, but these fingerprints are irking me so bad. I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and use my stainless steel wipes to wipe down this fridge. The kitchen is done for now. We have a birthday boy tomorrow, so I need to run to Walmart really quick to see if I can order him a birthday cake, and then I'm gonna head to Dollar Tree to get him some birthday balloons. Just got in from the store. The boys are now home from school, and I really wanted to order Ace a custom Spider-Man birthday cake for tomorrow, but I was too late on ordering that. Thank goodness I was able to find a cake that was already made that I could just buy, and she did such a good job writing out happy birthday Ace on the cake, so he's happy with that. That makes me happy. I've got about 2 hours left on the pork chops, so my produce containers are air dry now, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my lettuce and tomato in there and then put that back in the fridge. It is after 5 o'clock and the boys have homework that they need to get done, so I need to help them out with that. I thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for coming along with me today. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe for more content if you're brand new to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!